Hey guys, Kathy here, the Maniac. I got some amazing stuff in the mail today. Got Young Nails new Lots of Rocks rhinestones, and y'all, they are amazing. Look at them sparkle. I mean, you can't even. So crazy. I also ordered some silver foil and some awesome mylar in blue and pink, which I think will be super, super useful, and I'm super excited for it. I wanted to show you today a nail dust collector that I ordered. Now this is off Amazon. I did not spring for one of the crazy expensive systems. I've been spending my money on things like rhinestones and mylar and gel kits and things like that. So I thought I'd try it out. I mean, you just never know. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it. It came a couple days ago, but I've been crazy busy. I honestly don't even have time to do this right now, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Should be going to bed. I have a super early flight in the morning. Hopefully you won't witness me cut myself with a razor blade here. That would be bad. Okay. So I will show you here. This is just like a inexpensive square dust collector. I honestly, I think that a lot of these are the same thing. They're just marketed under like 600 different names. Because when you go on Amazon, sometimes they have reviews, sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. So I don't know, but we're gonna try it. So, go ahead and move the camera so you can see what I'm doing. All right, so this is the dust collector, which it's big enough to really fit almost both hands over top. So if I have my electric file, I would be filing over. The dust is going to be pulled, hopefully, onto that. So, it's shiny. Pretty. I mean, it's pretty light. It's just a fan, so I honestly didn't expect it to be super heavy, but it comes just with the adapter, which I will plug in down here. Okay. And that goes on this side. Okay. All right, so let's see here. Whoa, started up quick. I mean, I can feel some suction. So let me just grab. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on again. And we'll see. I mean, it doesn't feel super strong, but for dust, maybe it'll be okay. I don't know. I mean, yeah, it looks like it's working. Nice. Okay, well, I mean, the dust is all right here. There's not even any dust like out on these edges. It just was sucked pretty much straight down, which is awesome because dust goes everywhere and it can be really irritating and messy. And usually when I'm done, I will have dust all over me by the time I'm done. So off the bat, I'm gonna say this was a good purchase. Oh, it looks like the top is scratched just a little bit, but it works. So that's actually really exciting. I'm like super excited about this. And I think just to get that other dust to go down onto the filter, just turn it back on, just give it a little brush. So it goes down, and there we go. So this just has a filter that pops out. You just slide it out. And I'm thinking you can just clean that off. And I mean, it's not that dirty yet. Fan underneath, that just turns, sucks things down into it. All right. So among the things that I've seen on reviews for these less expensive dust collectors, I saw one girl do a review and she opened it like I did and it wouldn't even turn on. So that was bad. But you know, sometimes you just have to take a gamble and keep your fingers crossed and hope that it works. This so far looks like it's gonna work for me. You know, as of right now, I pretty much only do my own nails until I finish my nail tech program. So I'm liking it, yeah. I will definitely keep you updated and let you know how it goes. One of the other things that I saw happens a lot, that the fan worked for a little while, a month or two, and then it stopped working. So definitely I will let you know if that happens. If you see me in videos using it, then that'll be a clue that it is still working. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this review. If you're looking for a nail dust collector, try one out on Amazon. They're pretty good about returns, so if it doesn't work, you can send it back. I know that's irritating, but the other option of buying one that costs $300 to $500, $600, $700 was just not an option for me at this point. Maybe in the future, that'll be good. But for right now, I just needed something less expensive to take care of the immediate need that I had. And this, so far, fingers crossed, looks like it's gonna fit the bill. So if you do have any questions, please hit me down below. As always, if you are enjoying this content, thumbs up. And if you have questions or things you want to see me do, I'll be working with these awesome goodies and stuff. The Mylar and the foils, some stamping, the rhinestones, all of that's going to be coming up over the next couple months. I am so excited. I can't wait to make more videos for you guys. So if there's something that you want to see, make sure you put it down below in the comments. And as always, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming content. And we'll see you next time on the Maniac.